of all, I'd like to welcome you back to Ali Mac Mechanical, and I'd like to give a wee shout out to Scrapman Dan for the wee parcel I got. There, oh, put my hand over that. It's hops, which I'll probably use in the thing of the dark ale he's bought me. So, but today we're going to make a stout. I have a wee confession to make. There, the last time I made stout, I made a bit of a burach, a wee bit of a mistake, right? You're probably wondering why I'm looking down, but I'm actually looking at my phone. I've got my hand, so you're now seeing my back. We had a wee bit of a mistake last time. What I actually did was I should have rehydrated my yeast, and I didn't. The stout, I can show you what it looks like. The last lot of stout I made, you see stout. It tastes really sweet, vinegary sweet. So I'm led to believe that it has to do with the fact that I put maybe, or rather I didn't rehydrate my yeast. So I'm going to have another bash at it. I don't particularly like that. You could probably drink it. I mean, to be fair, looking at it, it looks fine, you know, it's a nice head off it. You can see the bubbles of carbonation in it. Looks fine, it just tastes too sweet, you know, so it's not for me. I'm going to crack on now and start with this stout. Okay, so I'll cut back to you when I'm putting the ingredients in. Right, so we're going to empty our contents of our lovely container in. Malt extract. So, and I've pre-poured, it's actually 2 pints of water I've poured there, but a bit hot. It's just the 3rd pint of water. And we're just got to wait now for the kettle to boil, but I'll cut it back to you once the kettle. While you're away, or what it seems like a couple of seconds ago, you see me add 3 pints of water. We're just waiting now on the last pint of water there in the kettle boiling. I'm not going to fill this one quite up to the I'm not going to fill this one quite up to the 23 litres because I want this one to be slightly stronger, so I'll fill this one up to 3 gallons. I want this one to be slightly stronger than the last one. As I say, it tasted really sweet. I'm not saying it's not drinkable. There's 3 kegs left. 2 kegs left, and I'm not saying it's not drinkable, because it is. It's just it's quite sweet, whereas I don't think the yeast is really taking to it. I mean, hydrometer levels I think are 104 on it, so I think that's okay. I'm just going to put a pint of water in here. Pint of water, and container's clean. Got all the malt extract and all that out now. So now I'm going to fill that to the. I should say that I've added 1 kilogram of sugar to that, by the way, and dissolved it as we were going. I'm now going to add it to about the 3 gallon mark, just over 3 gallons. I want it quite a strong. It says 375 there, right? So I'm just going to put it just over that. This is a Young's stout that I'm doing here. The malt extract tastes nice, really like Maltesers. I'm going to go to about 15 litres, whereas I normally go to about 22. Put one in here. That. Into about a pint. And give it a stir. Everything here that I've done, just to check that I've done everything to the thing. I haven't taken a hydrometer reading to see what it is, to see what it's going to start at. And just behind you here I've actually got my thing sitting in a sink full of sterilising fluid. Sterilising fluid? That doesn't sound right. Sterilising stuff. And before I came on camera, I sterilised this, which is my hydrometer. I'll let you see the hydrometer reading in a minute. I'm just going to take a wee hydrometer reading. That just helps me hold that in position. Just nice and sweet. Right. Let's get that. So we're talking 1060. Okay. That's what the hydrometer says. Probably not going to be able to lift this without spilling any of it, but it's about 1060. So put that there. So about 1060. Good. And I'm gonna now sprinkle the yeast. Get one more stir. I did say it was between 23. Drop now to 22. That, by the way, is just it's sterilised water that's in there. So I'm trying not to cut my fingers off with the scissors. Now, instead of hydrating this yeast, I don't have to hydrate it, so that's handy. It says just to sprinkle the yeast over the top. And this should take between 5 and 10 days, 10 working days, to ferment, and then in 5 to 10 working days we should be good. So from I'm at Mechanical making stout, I shall see you in 5 to 10 working days, and all being well, this should be a nice batch of stout. Okay, so thanks very much for watching, and please don't forget to leave me a like. There's a wish list there to help me with the channel. There's a PayPal there if you'd like to donate to the channel to help the channel. You don't have to, it's just things you can do. And a big thanks to Scrapman Dan for the cake, the hops and the dark ale. Thank you very much, Scrapman Dan.